Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the three types of vocabulary. So, in the previous classes, we completed what is called vocabulary and what are the benefits of vocabulary and how much vocabulary we need to speak fluently in English. So, but here, basically, vocabulary has three forms. And here is a question. You have the question, write the differences between active vocabulary and passive vocabulary. This is a question. So the first type of vocabulary is ad hoc vocabulary. Second one is active vocabulary. Third one is passive vocabulary. Okay, what are they? Ad hoc vocabulary, active vocabulary, passive vocabulary. So here active vocabulary is also called working vocabulary and passive vocabulary is also called recognition vocabulary. And they have the different points. The first one is ad hoc vocabulary. It is also called as textbook vocabulary. This is called textbook vocabulary. Here this vocabulary is only in the textbooks. So that is called textbook vocabulary. That means here this type of vocabulary always used in only the textbooks. And we need not to teach the meaning of these words in an elaborate way. So here we need not to teach the meanings of those words in an elaborate way. Only we teach the words, but we don't need to tell the meanings of these words. And if we find it necessary, we will give the meaning in mother tongue. So in textbook vocabulary, what we do, we explain the meanings of the words in our mother tongue. Only that belongs to textbook. So this is called ad hoc vocabulary. And active vocabulary, this is also called working vocabulary because always it works, always it uses. It is a stock of words which we use in our daily life, in our daily activities. So this is called active vocabulary. Always the vocabulary is active, always we use. So this stock of words we use in our daily routine life, that is called active vocabulary. And it is related to our environment. That means it is related to our situations and the occasions which we are in. So that is called environment, related to our environment. We can express our activities by using some words. Always, what is the basic use of vocabulary? By using vocabulary, we can express our thoughts and ideas or our activities by using some words. And the list of words which are actively used by us is known as active vocabulary. So the list of words, the words which we use in our daily routine life, known as active vocabulary. So we use actively. So the words are called active vocabulary. And it differs from person to person. The same vocabulary could not be used by the same persons. Okay, it differs from person to person. And learners understands and uses in speech and writing, speaking and writing. So the learners who learn the English language, this kind of active vocabulary they learn and also understand and use in their speaking and writing. Active skills are involved. So here we have 4 language skills: reading, LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. So these are called four language skills. But here speaking and writing are called active skills. These are called active skills. Always in active vocabulary, these 2 active skills are involved. and the students recalls the words. The students rememorize the words. All to remember, the students will recall all the words which he had learned in his class or in his time. And passive vocabulary. Passive vocabulary is also called as recognition of vocabulary. Recognition vocabulary. Here many words which are not used by a person, though he has the knowledge of those words. For example, a person who have the great knowledge in English language, he had no so much of vocabulary, but here only some words are used by the speaker. So that is called recognition vocabulary. This type of vocabulary remains in the unconscious mind. This type of vocabulary, passive vocabulary, always remains in the unconscious mind. So here the speaker, the learner learnt many words, but he used only a few words. Learners understands. That means learner learn and understand the words, but is not able to use speaking and writing. So the words, the vocabulary which he had learned and which he had understands, but he is unable to use the words in speaking and writing. Here the passive skills are involved. What are the passive skills? Reading and listening are called passive skills. These are involved here. And the students recognize the words. Only he recognizes and he keeps in his mind, but he could not able to use all the words. That is called passive vocabulary. So you have the question. Write the difference between active vocabulary and passive vocabulary. You have to write these these points for each one, active vocabulary and passive vocabulary. Okay.